Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you on how you can be able to connect your OKX exchange wallet or your OKX wallet on Telegram boot into your DePIN Alliance for the airdrop. So for listing, as you can see, this is currently what is given out today. This, as you can see it here, this is 2nd December. And on the DePIN Alliance announcement channel on their Telegram, they have also said it. So reminder that DePIN Alliance members, it's time to connect your wallet. Okay, it's time to connect your wallet and be able to claim your airdrop. So make sure you are all set and ready to go. Check the settings section if you haven't on your OKX wallet. Okay, so what they listed out here is what I'm actually going to show you completely for those who are yet to do it, on how you can be able to connect your OKX exchange or your OKX wallet boot. For the purpose of this video, I'm not using the wallet boot on Telegram. No, I'm not using that. I'm using the OKX exchange app, the Web3 app inside the OKX exchange. Okay, that is what I'm doing, and that is where I want to connect my wallet. It's much more secured, more than Telegram, and I can easily send it out to exchanges, let's say Binance, or even trade it on OKX itself, or send it out to other centralized exchanges, Binance, BitGet, etc., and just trade it there completely. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, on the DePIN Alliance, the first place that you need to go to is the top here, which is on this settings panel. Okay, the settings panel, where you are going to see it next to your profile place. Then you can click on the settings panel. Then you go to my wallets. Okay, you go to my wallets. That's where you should be going to. Then when you click on it, you see 4 types of wallets. That's your OKX EVM, OKX Ton, OKX Ton Connect, that's your Ton wallet, as well as your Wallet Connect. Okay, so the ones that they are requiring is the OKX wallet. Okay, the OKX wallet. So you need to be able to connect them. As you can see, this checkered thing here, that's this pin now, shows that it has not yet linked. It has not yet linked. So the first thing that you are going to do is to link them one after the other. Okay, so I'm going to link, let's say, from my EVM wallet now. I'll click on the EVM. Make sure that your OKX is on, okay, and it's also updated. That's the mobile app. Okay, then it shows 2 places. That's the OKX app and the OKX mini wallet. The OKX mini wallet is the Telegram boot version. The Telegram boot version is the OKX mini wallet, which is not what I'm doing. I want to use it from the OKX app that I downloaded on Play Store. Okay, so which is this one that I downloaded on Play Store. Okay, so I'll click on it. So as you can see, it will open here and it will tell you to connect your DePIN Alliance wallet. Okay, so what you just need to do basically is to go down here and click on the wallet connect. Okay, that's connect wallet below. Okay, so I'll click on it and it is connecting. Now it has now fully connected. Okay, so the next thing now is for me to go back to my DePIN Alliance. So I'll click on it and open it and watch it to load. Then it has actually opened, so I'll go back there again and go to my wallets. And since it has, so after you have checked it, then make sure that when you open your DePIN wallet, okay, that below here that you are seeing, that's when you open your OKX wallet, that below here that you're seeing managed by DePIN Alliance. Okay, once you have connected it, you must be seeing managed by DePIN Alliance. It should be there below. So as you can see, I'm seeing mine. You can be able to like press the manage button and you can see it. The Ethereum is connected. Look at my wallet and every single thing is connected. That's my EVM. So it must show on the wallet that you are doing it on OKX. It must show below. As you can see it right here. I'm scrolling down so that you can be able to see it better. This is where it is, as well as the DePIN Alliance name already here showing. So it must show there. When you click on it, it will tell you whether it's Ethereum, as well as it will tell you whether it has EVM. That is what it is. So I'm going to try the Ton on, that's the Ton Connect on my DePIN Alliance on Telegram. So when I open my DePIN Alliance again on Telegram, this time around I'm going for the Ton wallet. I still don't know why it is not on linking even when I have actually connected my entire wallet. So I'm going to proceed to try with the Ton wallet. So I'm going to click on it, which you are seeing already, and it will load. Then again, I'm connecting with my OKX app. Okay, I'm connecting with my OKX app. This time around, I'm doing it for the Ton wallet, not the EVM wallet. I'm doing it for the Ton wallet now. So this time around, it is Ton. As you can see it, the network is Ton. So I'll press on my Connect wallet. Again, it will tell me to sign, and I'll press it. I'll press my password again and click on it. So it has also connected, and it redirected me back to my DePin Alliance on Telegram. So I'm going to open it, and hopefully all two of those airdrops should be connected right now. Again, let me check. But two of them have actually been connected on OKX. It's my DePin Alliance. Okay, I've currently on my account. It's still not linked yet. I don't know why. Then, if I should check my missions panel, okay, my missions panel, where those accounts are, that's my EVM, both of them are also not showing again. Okay, so are also not showing again. It's just telling me to redo the steps again. So it's redirected me back to my OKX, but even if I press my manage, I'll see one, that's my Ton account. So I don't know why it is not really allowing me to be able to approve on. Try it multiple times, it will be able to show up for you. So as you can see right here, this is it. It has actually shown up for me, and this is mine. Okay, so you just claim it and it will automatically connect. Okay, so basically it has connected here. So if I go back to my level, okay, if I go back to the settings panel again and check my wallets, it has actually connected, that I have gotten my OKX wallet here already connected completely. Okay, so basically that's how you can be able to do it. So it's just like you have to try it multiple times for it to be able to show up for you. Okay, you have to try it multiple times for it to be able to show up for you. So that's basically how you can be able to connect the wallet profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.